happening out there today, my friends? So today I'm going to talk about a company that I use, and I'm sure a lot of you guys use it too, as motovloggers. So let's run the intro and we'll get into it. So as motovloggers and YouTubers and whatnot, we all have, seems like we all have logos. We all get decal stickers made. So the company I use is Sticker Mule. I know a lot of guys out there use it. Now, they weren't the first company I used for my first set of stickers, but I found them. And I gotta tell you, they do a good quality product, and you can get some hella deals on the shit. So sign up for their email list, whatever you want to do, but they'll send you emails once a week, once every couple weeks, on deals they're having. And a lot of times it'll be 50 stickers for 19 bucks. I mean, you can't really beat that. They have good quality. They're pretty fast. They get them to you within a week generally. So I mean, it's a win-win. So now, just to let you guys know, I'm not getting paid for this. I'm not getting anything free. This is just my observation. I'm passing my observations on to you because, like I said, they do good quality work. You can get the deals inexpensively. You know, every time, I can't say every time because there's some things that I don't use, but a lot of the times when I get the emails from Sticker Mule, it's a good deal, and I keep on buying stickers. I have bought, probably in the last month, I bought 3 packs of, 350 packs of stickers. So I'm stocked. So if you need some stickers, let me know. I will do a sticker swap with you. I will send you stickers. So yeah, so check them out. I'll leave a link down below, but definitely get on their email list, because they will send you specials. They will send you deals. And like I said, not every deal I use, but like I said, 3 times in the last month I've ordered stickers, even though at this point I really don't need them. But hell, can't pass up that deal, because I'm a cheap motherfucker. Just to let you know, guys know, I am like cheap. I am. Well, sorry, I'm thrifty. But anyway, check them out. So anyway, guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to comment down below. If you're not subscribed, as I always say, I'd love to have you on board. Please feel free to subscribe to the channel. I want to drive a Tesla. I want to check one of them out to see how it is. Never driven an electric vehicle, so I'd really like to give it a go. All right, my friends, until next time, stay safe, love one another, peace.